This is why they didn't want you to catch on.
For sure. The other two parts for
And
sure.
you know how they always complain
that's-
on Twitter? How about South African people stop starting a
Starting
sentence
a
in
tweet in
English and
English,
ending
like
it in vernac because
Why?
it
Because we are
confuses
South
everybody.
Africans. No.
Efuneka sithini ke nyani?
Exactly.
Because that's how it's gonna be.
Yeah.
And if you don't get it, you ask for
Forget
understanding,
about it.
forget about it, or you ask for clarity, and then you know what it means.
Separator. Separator.
You started-
Why didn't I swap in yani?
Abafuna uba together even. They even swapped. He was this side, she was
Mama siyeke.
like
Okay,
how many?
Ana besithetha nonjo.
Besithanda.
Ikhona into besithetha ngayo eshushu yazi before yonke intshaka yenzeke yabo.
Yeah.
The weather and what's in the news.
The weather.
No, I don't know.
We were talking about the weather.
Shushu eJoburg guys.
It's
No, we're not talking about the weather. I remember we were
No,
talking
guys,
about something.
we are new here. No,
No, bra.
Oh, Kanene, no.
You know farmers ayithetha leyo bra.
We are new
Bra,
here.
we are new here,
Who's new
bra.
here?
So too.
From where?
From PE, yeah.
So again, what's the difference?
You?
So it different.
That's
No, is it like okay?
It's just
like it.
It's just
Unomoya
that
nebai.
there's no
Like
Unomoya ne?
So the difference with the heat
Moya,
yaseBhayi is
yeah.
that kukho humidity eninzi.
Yes, that's what I'm saying.
So
Because
xa
there's no
kushushu
ocean.
at least
Yeah, absorbing.
uyava ba no man
Yes.
like ku-humid. Apha eJoburg it's dry heat.
It's
Dry.
because there's
Uvela ube yiyo.
No, guys, no, listen.
Babalaza.
I had a nosebleed for the longest.
Exactly.
I have not
It's
had
the dry
nosebleed
heat.
since high school.
Okay.
I woke up the other day,
Same.
but I thought it was
Funny.
because
Last
I was
time-
sick. But I had a nosebleed in the morning. I was like,
Ngosema mntu ethanda umongo.
I have a nosebleed.
No fit ebona lawe ndayifumana
Long
once
time.
lo umongo ngabethwa ngambama yabo.
Awungamongozi umntwana obethiwe.
wongamungozi wawubethiwe.
But kaloku sensitsho
Usopha.
Yeah, it was just yeah.
Wena bethwa.
Wawubethwa ngubani?
Mamela baby. Belokuba sila. Ukholo mntana ndidate naye ne? Yeah.
At the time.
Yeah,
Your
yeah.
ex.
Sure baby.
Yes.
Yabo. Njengoba sidate yabo sifun too much. Cha ufun wethu phambene si violent. Yabo. So Fondini, wena ucute gqithi ne? Nami dwebo ndiyazibasela mose yazi every time. Yabo. So uthi wena soze iphele imini ungathethana ngechair. Yabo.
You see?
Imake qhubeka nje.
It's already fueling.
How about Apple?
How about
Yabo.
balisa mzimba?
You're doing it. You're doing it.
What do you do? House expansion kama yabo.
Abe 10.
No. Someone asked, and I said, a house expansion. What does it mean?
Joburg ikaka bra.
That's a direct translation.
Mandibase nto ongayibuzanga ngifike mina ke sana.
Hayi yabona yaphela le kaka cima le kaka yabona ke bra
Ima soulmate ke sana. 16 years old. Mzi wa decide uba makenze ithathu. Ithi can't live without you. Dead without you. Wherever.
Lona 16 ajamwenza kwa.
Nazi. Ithi with you.
ngafuna
Without you, it's flat line. Flat line. Without you, flat line. Nance, flat.
With you.
Without you.
With you. Without you.
Flat line.
boy
Romantic.
abona no time bro then ke bajoga
So kudala, into yakho le.
16 years. He was 16 years.
Nene.
masiyeke mna nami ngositsala la
16. Yabona ba iye
Like
cringe.
you never thought nani balili age.
Uyabona ba cringe yokwadi.
no bro
No, but like I think at that age abantu abaninzi like
How
sasenza ngepen la way.
Ban love, ban.
Yeah, as a way forever.
but sibhala ngepen isuke
No, but
sichithe.
then
Why?
ayibhalanga ink
but ayizalungiseka no way.
now he wants to remove it
But the thing is, no, you don't
and
need to
now he
remove it.
wants me to remove it
So sponsor.
We tattoo artist.
no but I
So
can
what do you
remove
do?
it
Cosmetic
I'm a-
dermatologist or something.
I'm a
Esthetician.
esthetician I'm a esthetician
What's a statistician?
esthetician
A
yeah
statistician.
skin
aesthetic.
laser
Oh,
blah
aesthetic. I
blah
thought you
blah
mean like statistics.
no
Oh,
aesthetics
you wanna a statistician?
Yeah, I thought you meant I'm a statistician.
So better.
so mna bensithi ne ndingayisusa okanye angavela bekuphumla apha phezukwazi
Francis over the
Iphele into bithe.
ithe because bena 16 ngoku una 27 ngoku unengqondo ngoku and uyayazi ingqondo yakhe ikubani ngokuphumla
Yes, guys, you may think in the 37 and then ingabe kuphumla ingqondo ibekho mina.
kaloku
Life was tricky, guys.
uzawuphinda beke
Open I figure this shit out, girl.
Those are my
Open I figure this shit out.
Oh, Garisha.
I figure this shit
How
out.
fast? Sims. So much tena ibona ne ihamba le aka fast.
njani babe
Kuphumla.
yes
Exactly.
yes exactly
Why Marcela wena yona?
Exactly.
Yonke into.
Why am I sharing time to about girl, you're perfect. He's wrong. He's wrong. Sometimes you know but you show me.
shema twi that's one
Sometimes you must tell but no go wrong with you.
andimorongo
But unwanted.
we are crimoni
Ayikho,
we are crimoni we are wrong
We are wrong,
okay
we are
busathetha mntase ngala esa story sakho busibalise
Wakhwatywa
wakhwatywa ngomongozo
Mna.
I wasn't alone.
it's a baby
No, otherwise.
There is a
So
no for the best yes I get bottle huh
lahleka la couple.
asoze ay yabona ke abahambileyo sa bahambe udulibala don't worry
Back imoto somewhere.
for you. So it's better ikaka ba.
mani ezi cups zakho zenza anxiety
Akazikhulule nje hamba.
Akazikhulule,
Bona
please.
izinyanga sesijama. Ngifuna ukuphosa intshaqa zakhe ezi-ox.
njani uthi mna ndi-ox mna
No, intshaqa.
Intshaqa zakho zi-ox.
Izinto ezikuhluphayo.
Not where.
Yeah.
oh
Yeah.
Una-translator between PE and job.
thank you yeah
Injaqa is what? Things
Intshaqa
that
like
bother
iwe
you.
ungayithandiyo. Yeah. Like i-X.
Oh, that's the way to put it.
No, that's one way to put it.
That's
That's
one
one
way.
way
That's
to
one
put it.
way.
That's one way to put it.
Intshaqa into
But
Injaqa can be
it
beef.
broadens everything.
Intshaqa is like away.
Yeah. Intshaqa can be a-beef. Like umzekelo uthi o-X-ray like u-X-ray. Uthi X-ray Joe uyabulisa uthi X-ray. Uyothuka uthi X-ray uzeni ngoku uyandiqhela wena yo. But X-ray is hey baby
It's
girl.
But also
It's the
because
same
I don't
as
want
car.
to apply
frame
to.
of reference
It's all about the
Yes.
context.
Yeah.
It's the same as ikaka
Yeah.
yabo.
Yeah.
Because abantu abaninzi.
Yo, and you say that to everything. He's like, yo,
Ah,
the
sister
gaga.
Lord,
He's
the
like,
bias,
oh my
yeah.
gosh, you say that to everything.
Like seriously,
Yeah, we have to
and also
Like-
akathi kaka uthi ikaka
That's PE. That's how they speak. That's PE people. Like addresses even a person, everything.
kaka
Yo,
Mbale
First of
kaka.
all, okay, yo, and it's-
Sometimes notice alo
not Joe, even like Joe, I was like, I haven't heard this in a while. But
Me too.
You know, Joe.
iwesiba andim-understand xa ithetha sometimes iqomba okay let me decode
exactly.
Sometimes you're about why ungaduphendula uqondo zami u-interpret abantu.
Exactly, because ufuna uqonda uba
ndithi ndicela uthethe kakuhle nakwi-text atekste into ndithi ndicela
Yalwa ke.
atekste ambhale into ndithi ngicela
I
uyi-translate
feel like Malisa was a comedian.
Guys, and text them at that time.
I'm sure.
You parallel no lithethayo.
anywesiba
Confused, going to hit.
like uthetha ingqondo akathethi
And then
text
I thought, no, Ale Gaga, on my. Are you talking about a person or a thing? Or a situation that just occurred now? What's
are you
happening?
angry?
Are you angry? Because
Are you angry?
yes are you angry
Number lost.
because why you saying kaka because now when I say shit
that's
I'm
offensive.
angry.
It's like profanity. It's
Yes.
profanity. I'm using it because I'm angry. I'm like, shit, fuck.
Yes.
And you like your words, like everyday words. I'm like,
ngosuka ni translate thina.
Guys,
Sometimes
jonga
I
yabona bhayi. Jobe bendicacisele nye Uber hapa ndithe bhayi thina I feel like sithethe language ezi16 ngexesha li-1.
And abantu bayastokela isixhosa sasebhayi.
Hayo, Xhosa sasebhayi.
I see mad shit.
But you're guys lawe. You are supposed to move from Cape Town,
guys.
ne?
And
Like
nithethe
nanze sasixhosa sasebhayi.
No way.
Thethe nophambeneyo.
Yeah, nithethe phambene.
Brian,
No, let's leave.
jonga mamela.
Let's take a part. Let's leave.
Athuswa yabona jonga xa ndifika khona la Coopers xa ndifika phe Coopers. Jonga nje yamfika ndivula ifowuni pha ndifowunele noma ngubani osebhayi. Thethe ikaka pha ndibone ungumuntu lost. Like lost.
And that time eTexini uthetha isixhosa sasebhayi. Abantu baka-understand.
Nangu.
I feel it because nami ndingumxhosa but isixhosa sakho andisiva.
But that's the thing.
Mxhosa kazi lo.
Andisiva isixhosa sakho.
So
Okay.
by 2 months.
Dilehlubi.
Now,
Okay,
What do you
dilehlubi.
mean?
Dilehlubi.
Wow.
Saneziwe.
If you don't know what that means, I'm
No, I know what it means. But I'm just...
Saneziwe. If you don't know what Saneziwe means, and I don't have to translate it to you.
Yabona ke le into ye meaning. I get it.
Also, why? Because come like him under.
It's the easiest
I
name
understand.
ever. It's
Under
People
amalone.
almost-
Under ama.
perfect.
Yes.
Amadoda.
Under ama. No,
It works.
not
It works
amadoda.
nale.
Yeah. No, ama isibungu isiduko sakho.
Amangosini.
Nanso.
That was the point. But
Anda,
udibane nomxhosa
amangosini.
abuze.
And then Saneziwe,
Lithini xa
what
liphelele?
could you say? Saneziwe.
Saneziwe, we are content. Siqedile. we don't need
Exactly.
umntana.
We're
Last
fulfilled.
one.
We are
But-
fulfilled.
Kwaba-
Like,
No one here was confused.
But
Yeah.
kwaba
Yes.
4 after yena. 3. After.
They were not really content.
That time.
Really content.
Saneziwe at that time.
At the time.
At that time.
They
No,
thought.
besides
They thought.
daughter.
At that time.
At that time.
That's all that matters.
Sasisaneziwe.
Ha, and then kwenzeka. Ubani olandelayo?
Namhla.
Yayi.
Hey, honestly, so it's like shoot.
So,
And then Wandisile.
Pele.
Last one.
Iqedile
Yeah,
bese sense.
yeah, it makes sense. It makes sense. It
Kwa
does.
igama lakho.
But babe shook. So but okay, I'm not seeing under. But now go Africa, I'm what another one.
Samamkele ke kuba
Oh
sizothi.
yes. Stop it at T. Stop it at T. It makes sense. But do you know how when you direct translate our names?
Yasingayicinga le wena wami yabo.
Do you know how when you direct translate our words? You know how we make fun of Zimbabwean names?
No.
I think a mistake yokuqala
I wanna make
There's a difference between depth and translation.
Yeah.
That's
So
what's
our
very
names are like depth, not like Kamala Kundu microphone.
Yaiva.
Yeah, you're right.
God say.
Because I'm African and I know the depth and the meaning behind it, and I didn't just give the name
Brian
because
Khotman umzwanile yabo. Ibe ngumzamo. Kuphumla. Yaphumla
iphumla.
Yiman.
And she did not even rest.
Igama lam ke
did not
I
even
don't fucking rest. But
She did not even
utatam
rest.
what?
No, not even your mother. She didn't even rest after you. She did not even rest.
Yeah.
Eka. Yakal. Ifoni yetu yakal. Phone yetu. Our phone is ringing. Do we have it? Our phone is ringing.
Jonga even ela gama maluma ngibiza ngalo.
Bye.
Hayi nalo ngizolo expose.
What am I gonna mix
But
with?
we being
Water.
Let's go family la gama.
No, but nanza pale we being vulnerable now. It's a safe space.
No, maybe one day.
Don't chance safe space.
Yeah, safe space to stone
Safe.
Which is a safe space.
Go safe.
Jela gama that you are sarcastically.
Everything is dangerous.
But zophinde ke. Ironically whatever like I'm like English. Then that's why okay uzena le ngosi. Uzophinde ke.
Bani kamla?
Relax.
Uzophinde.
The translator kaloku the interpreter.
No, we'll wait to hear from him, but I think it's something along
Yeah.
those lines.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hayi baphinda ke olate ngobuya nale chep.
Umzophinda.
Ngizobuyela le chap.
Wena nale chep. Oyennyengeza
Take
ngaka.
one out, guys.
It was just a sneak in. It was just nje.
Ngizobuyela le chap.
Hey guys, win a World Cup.
It's a
Hey.
World champions! That is what must be it. We are world fucking champions.
Back to
Hey,
one.
It's impopo. Yachoka mnandi lekata.
Andinayo imali eno complaint guy.
Imali
2k.
2K no.
oh
2k 1.5.
If she wears size 28, 1.6.
It's an inside joke.
Guys, I want
No, I'm sure it's not an inside joke. I'm sure it's
it's always
like on TikTok or something, but I have not grasped.
And you can get it.
Yeah.
Out for
1.5.
1 ponto. 1 ponto.
1,500.
1 terameter.
1.2.
Kunika manzi mzini. Ngosi.
Sibuza chwa kwa ngoza.
Yeah man.
Yo, sabuyele kule.
Yes.
Fans.
Kang uyigqiba.
Oh, no kaloku siyabheja ba mna ayisoziphela imini ngathethi necherry. So nami ndithi soziphela imini ngathethi nomjida yabo. Kids 5. Brian ebona that day. Brian nanobaleka ama cherry. Fani soloko mna ndancokola mos soloko uzithi yabo yabo enakhumbula ngisacula ngasesikhathi. So ke ngoku emculweni ukugcola amangazana mosokokoko.
Kwaye
Dog, yabaleka dog la we. Dibana naye every time nomna noncokola necherry. Yo nomjida. Hey. Ndimdatshe mna braba. Hayibo. Ay sorry my baby boza we yabo. Hayi ngizokazi umuri baby mosize.
Yakuluma.
So Joy, basibeka phansi yabo ndiyothatha i-cousin no cousin mchana yabo
Uino.
uano yeah ndiyothatha yena eChris xa nifika pha fonini uzinhle olombiza igama ezazela la
Uzasazela.
But awubizanga
Isewaphi?
isibongo.
Yeah.
Izinhle.
so xa ingena yena unibonile nizemveni kwakhe mos so xa isithi gqi waphuma noano jo yabo no uano cousin wami so kuba ndisiza waphela ethatha noano uyothatha umntana wakhe wena waphela ethatha noano so xa ndiphuma mna ndandiqala ukuthetha necherry ngoenkosi ngalamini bra okundibaleka amacherry yabo ngoenkosi cha inkosi nona yami andibona ngathi athi gqemveni kwami watsho betha ngembama Joe
Ujesu ke back
So
ntwana.
wabethe intombazane
methi yami kalo sibhethile
uba
ba mna
a day.
It's just some vibes.
yeah ngakubetha ngembama if nikubona uthetha nomjida so nawe if nikubona uthetha nechenza kubetha ngembama ibhethi yethu leyo yabo so mna onibona ethetha namajida andimenzi nix but yena xa ebona mna ndithetha necherry ndandiqala uthetha necherry ngalamini branyani ngozinhle ngoenkosi nona yamani ba undithathele uano yabo you bra betha ngembama lamntana Joe mongoza nayikaka first time ngalo mongoza jo zange laphinda nomongoza ndiyakhala ba nomongoza it is you bra like shit yami ebomvu wanqwaba bra wanqwaba quba nshiya ashiyeka nedizo wakhala ano for mncinci mose
Uthi ungathwala ubhuti
yabo tanci yero mjita wathi bhuti tanci jo yo phajo umntana uyakhala ngqo hey kwenzeka noni yawo banana mfumana otherwise
Umfumana njani?
kanti same thing
As to promote violence.
sipromote
No,
nyanja
no.
sipromote
But
nyanja
wamfumana
but ayi
njani?
game ara kaloku same day
Wambetha ngantoni?
no
Wambetha ngesandla wayewatha kancane.
mame ichomi yakhe yabo
Hayibo. Yeah, escalated quickly.
Mamela ikhona iverse eBhayibhelini ethi umfazi akabethwa ngesandla ubethwa ngeping.
Hey sayiqaba kudala.
Sibani ebhayibhelini.
Hey uvesi ba.
Ngibele dale ke Amos.
Andiyazi.
Ngibele ke.
Yes.
It's another.
Yes.
Church guys.
I
I don't.
Okay.
Hayi khangela rhatse.
Hayi yazi ngicingisa ntoni sim
Yeah.
la joke Trevor Noah esithi uzuma ubetha Helen Zille ngento enhloko
Betha ngomshini wakhe.
betha umshini wakhe enhloko
But ke yena ke ukunimfumana njani friend
But
yakhe?
you know when you listen to Trevor these days, it's like he was so anti-black
when
in his jokes. I mean, there
dala
are
ngoku
no kudala. There
Ezekiel.
are he provocative.
Ezekiel 23. Ndoda? Itini. Now concerning other things, however you wrote, it is good for a man to not touch a woman, but touch a woman by their private parts.
That's that. Each of
But
Yeah, my
but then
woman.
it must say it must come from your husband.
Come on.
You must. Be
It must come from your
Does it say
husband.
It is to avoid fornication, let every man have his own wife and let every woman have her own husband. No, and I understand in this. Now concerning the things whereof ye wrote unto me, it is good for a man not to touch a woman.
marriage first.
Exactly. It is good for a man not to touch a woman, nevertheless, to avoid fornication.
But
Let every man have
Oh,
his
Salah.
Mamela, please you want.
Mamela Tinley, she remembered her lover with a penis like a donkey and the blood of semen like a horse.
Umfazi akabanjwa ngesandla.
Akuthethwa
Ubanjwa ngepipi.
No, but zani mbame ngepipi sham ke.
Wambamba kanjani?
Mbama ikona imbama.
Kona yembaba.
Hey, kona imbama man.
Yes, cancellation is
Dangerous.
Okay, kafani context kwakuphi la xesha.
Sisenoxolo that time.
Primary.
Primary.
Wayengumntana.
Primary.
learn and unlearn.
Ubujoyine primary.
Wayengumntana.
Mamela jo.
Ubujoyine primary.
Mamela ngicela uyithetha le uya.
Yima ubona ngaphi primary?
Abo guys akujolo primary.
No.
Like ndicela uyithethe into eyi-1 yabo.
Ayibona ijole primary.
No,
Hayi bo.
zangijoyine
I
primary.
Guys.
think sakhula different guys. Like
Georgia,
every hormones
just
are going
want-
crazy.
Mna ndaqala ujola ko grade 11.
Ndifuna uthetha into eyi-1.
Ngina 17.
Zange waphuzwa wena during that process yona.
My first kiss was at 14 and wandiluma umfana ngaqomba
That's
soze
my experience. Oh my gosh.
wandiluma
First kiss was at
kokwamat 14 kokwamat sasegadini ndiyakhumbula sasegadini
But nami first kiss yami yayiphambene
First
bra.
kiss was at 6.
6.
Such a this one Anna ngephepha.
Whoa.
Yeah, that's why we got shut down.
Indicator. What
But why you may kiss the bride and ngafaka iphepha le ice mint emlweni wethu.
Yeah, ma, whoa.
Esa ring, esa ring.
Ngiyayikhumbula lo we.
Madiba man. Hey, lo mchita indicator ngo.
Khona nawe man.
Why best man?
Under.
Guys,
He was the pastor, not the best man, John.
Yazi mna ndikubona ingathi umuntu right kati.
Ukufa mna. Ndirathi ukufa mna guys. Ningamamela ndisethwa ngaba bantu.
We're right later in life.
But
Except why ninenza le way guys?
Wachatisa abantu.
kwenza lo way.
That's why ungatshatanga funeka uqale la mtshato wawutshatayo
And that
ngoku.
was 20 years ago in Ukraine.
But kaloku funeka
Such a
uqale
remember the ice mint.
It was
You guys
20 years
are from
ago.
child.
but funeka uqale uqawule la mtshato and then uzotshata futhi because now uGod
Uthi
andithi
umblokile.
umblokile.
Akatshatiswanga ndim.
Utshatiswa nguwe.
Sima,
Yes.
Sima, khawuphinde khawubaxeleza utshatiswe ndim.
Watshatiswa
Nobody
nguwe.
will wait best man.
Imadoda akadayithethe leyo bazana utshatiswe ndim.
Finya
But he must have
tumfinya.
been
No, the
black.
guy that
Oh,
was
you best man.
when it was like Sima Kasulumfinya so like
Oh!
and then but she liked me though like akule wayemthanda nyani like I remember nangomncunyo esihleleni and then wathatha ivaseline wa
Thami ake.
ayithi phaka kusweni bami and then mayundi
Ungqonye
Oh
wantoni?
man.
Ungqonye wantoni?
Yes, it's
Ungqonye wantoni?
Sloan.
Okwenzeke ntoni?
I can't remember but I had a big
Oh.
when I was 6 years old and then wakhipha vaseline ngawe uho ayithi phaka kusweni bami and then I was good.
Yeah.
No, you were good. Wow. Okay.
Wamnceda.
Yeah. That's something else, you.
Yo.
When I was 20 years ago.
But Magaukaule, he must officiate.
Annulment after 20 years. Can you do annulment after 20 years?
Guys, I will never find
annul.
You can't annul a wedding, a marriage after 20 years.
Or maybe Funega.
That's your soulmate. You need to go find that girl.
Uthini?
Did you shush? Where is it? Is a Puma after the episode, Joe?
Efana nani? Efana nani?
That's we catch it now. Yeah,
Yeah, sure.
but after the episode, we posted there. Shush, is a Puma. I get it. Then you know.
I know Penla, no, don't depend lie.
Sorry about the Benelux in the
Come to Penula.
I come to Pendai.
Utata nge lando kange.
No, since you comment,
Yeah.
comments.
No, I think like
I'm
the
not
person
Kanti
sound.
gaps phumla abantu bakhona because udaka bekamera.
Angisemhleke at that
Chicken
time.
baby, I'm chicken so.
Are you taking it off?
Uthimaka chicken wale. Njongo luminyeke is control wena.
And that is control.
Ne awazi man.
You look so different.
Bravo, simbona xa natural.
Ingathi ngomnyumbu.
Ngathi ngomnyumbu.
Yeah, I get.
Galela ngamanzi.
Hayi man ngoyisa yithetha nawe.
Shikolo 4 minutes. Akho nemali ngoba ngayo.
4 minutes on.
Drama sine drama masiyeke. Khaze sani.
Wona ngandlela senayo.
Drama is gonna start. No, drama is gonna start. That's something else. But now,
Yes.
Anything.
nothing. No, I've got nothing
Anything.
now. The only thing
Yeah,
you talk
people.
about is being. Oh no, now dear, opera.
Oh, do you sing?
Rosebank.
No.
I sing. Yes, I do.
Oh, she's a singer.
No.
She's a singer.
I don't mean that.
Kasan.
Jay not one.
Ninjing not one.
No, I don't mean I'm a singer. I mean I'm going
But
to
you are
opera.
a singer. But
No,
you
I
are.
sing sometimes.
No, but that's it.
Opera show. So simple.
Ifanele ukubona nyana la.
Guys,
Baby so anything.
guys, umntu wam xa ngacula ningamelta, but uyamazi mos uyakwazi ucula. Umntu wam.
Mzi.
He's writing a song for me.
Is writing or something?
For me.
No, I'm writing.
No,
a song.
never go try that.
Oh, so mhlawumbe uzawucula le ngoma mhlawumbe le ngoma ozambhalela uzayibhadalela mina.
Mzi uyagodisa usima.
He's sending me details.
Uyagodisa.
Okay, I'll do one line. I'll sing one line.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll back you up.
That's the line.
No, I don't think you know it, but I'll sing one line.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Fuck you and your lies and your last goodbyes. You're a victim in your own world. Stick it to Mr. No Name. Pity, anger. Guess I don't hold the answer.
Oh, baby. I
forgot what it says.
Guys, after the episode, so a better new session.
Tango
Everyone can sing, ne?
Yeah.
We can back. No, she can sing. She can sing. She can sing.
The voice ahead.
I think I've heard a snippet of you. Just
Yo,
a
he can
little
sing
bit.
very well.
No.
Umzi.
Here and there.
So we were supposed to go for karaoke last week. Ndathi mna.
Bekhona.
Ubukhona? Ndathi akazucula before mna. Uzawucula. Kuzawuqala iRulani because uRulani akazucula.
Ngoli.
Beplanile. Ndathi uzawuqala wena because friend you can't sing. So mna I'm gonna sing after you so that izoba ngathi ndiyakwazi ucula. And then uze. Abakwazi. And then I was thinking maybe we're gonna do a duet, but I was like, no. Then people are gonna be looking at him more than me. I can't have that. Can't have that.
Why was Timana?
Islands in the stream, so
That's what I was thinking. And Yazi, that was it. Islands in the stream. That is what we are. No one in between. That is when we're wrong. Sail away with me to another world, and we rely on each other. From one lover to another.
Okay, guys, Papa, yes, I'm saying.
Okay, tonight, Papa is tonight.